In this video, I'll guide you through how to change your Protonmail display name, step by step. This is the name people see when they receive emails from you, so it's useful if you're updating your personal information, rebranding a business, or just want something a little more professional. First, open your web browser and go to protonmail.com. You can do this on any modern browser like Chrome, Firefox, or Safari. If you're not already signed in, log into your Protonmail account using your usual credentials. Give it a moment to load your inbox. Once you see your messages, you're ready for the next step. Now, look toward the top right corner of the screen. You'll see a small gear icon, which is the shortcut to your settings. Go ahead and click that gear icon. This is where Protonmail groups most of the options for customizing how your account looks and behaves. After clicking the gear icon, a small menu or panel will appear with a few quick options. For what we're doing, we want the full settings view, so click on the option labeled All Settings. This will open a more detailed settings page where everything is organized into sections down the left-hand side or across the top, depending on Protonmail's current layout. Once you're in the full settings area, look for the section called Account and Password. This is usually where Protonmail keeps your basic account details like your recovery options, login information, and the display name we're about to change. Click on Account and Password to open that section. On this page, find the area labeled Display Name. This is the name that appears in the From field when you send an email. Right next to your current display name, you should see an option or a button that says Edit. Click on Edit to make the display name field editable. Now you can type in your new display name. Take a moment to think about how you want this to appear to recipients. For personal use, you might want your full name, like a first and last name. For business or project accounts, you might prefer a brand or team name. Whatever you choose, type it exactly as you want it to show up in people's inboxes. It's a good idea to double check for spelling and capitalization, because this is part of the first impression your emails make. When you're happy with the new display name, look for the Save button near that field. Click Save to apply your changes. Protonmail will update your account, and from now on, any new emails you send will use this new display name. If you already have your inbox open in another tab, you may want to refresh the page to make sure everything is fully updated. That's all there is to it. You've successfully changed your Protonmail display name by going to protonmail.com, opening the settings with the gear icon, heading into all settings, selecting account and password, editing the display name, entering your new name, and saving your changes.